All you need to make this tea is fresh mint leaf, lemon, honey, and ginger. So the first thing I'll do is pluck off the leaf from the stem, and you want to do that gently. And after that, I'll cut the leaf. I'm cutting because I'm trying to increase the surface area of the leaves. This will intensify the flavor of the tea. I'll also cut the ginger to make it easy to release its flavor. After I've brought the water to a boil, I'll turn off the heat and add the cut mint leaf and cut ginger, then cover the pot and allow it to diffuse into the water. You can allow it to sit for about 5 minutes or more depending on how hot you want it. Mint does not go bitter, so it can only get stronger with time. Once that is done, I'll add about a tablespoon honey in my cup and also a tablespoon of lemon juice in the cup. Then I'll add the strained mint water, and that is all you need to make this tea. So the next thing I'll do is just give it a mix, and it's ready to serve. And you're ready to combat common cold and flu, and you're ready to enhance your immune system with just these 4 ingredients. Isn't that amazing? If you love this video, give us a like and subscribe for more videos.